try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. So in today's video, I'll be transforming this empty living room with no decor, empty as in it has just furniture, to a colorful, beautiful, modern, glam interior decor trend. You're gonna love every bit of it. I didn't know I was gonna love color like this, but I am enjoying every bit of it. So I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy this video. And without further ado, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, I would like to let you guys know that this video is in collaboration with my beautiful sister here on YouTube, Mmirim, my Nigerian sister who is a Canadian-based interior decorator. She has a very, very beautiful home. You're going to love it. Her channel is going to be linked down and it's going to be put on the screen so you guys can see, and make sure you check her out because guys, you're going to love every bit of it. Her channel is amazing. She does amazing tablescapes, amazing glam decor, amazing home tours, amazing things. So anyway, right after watching this video, make sure you check Mmirim out, and if I comment, tell her I sent you. Tell her something nice in the comment section like you always do. Thank you guys so much and keep on watching.
I try to figure out who I am.
So obviously I'm starting with cleaning. I'm not going to do a very detailed clean. It's just going to be cleaning the surfaces that I'm going to be decorating. The house is generally clean for today, so we are going to go right into it. And don't ask me why I'm all dressed up. I just felt like dressing up like what I had in mind for my living room. In fact, I was just trying to match up myself. So guys, tell me what you think about my outfit. Tell me what you think about a colorful living room. This is the most daring thing I've done in my living room ever. So you better come true for me. You better tell me something nice in the comment section about this because this is risky, guys. So anyway, I added this chair by the fireplace, which is not something I usually do, but yeah, I decided to change things up a little bit. Of course, these vases, you guys know I've had them for a while. I got them at a store here in Houston called, what's that store called? I'll put it on the screen. I don't remember the name.
Who saves me?
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out.
If there is one thing you would always notice with me is I love fur and I love throw blankets. Throw blankets are a must-have for me in my living room. Like, I'm always cold even when it's hot. So I use it, or my kids and I use it a lot. The remote control holder you see right there, I think I got it from Ross. I always have a remote control holder. Sometimes too, like in this video, you'll see two remote controls have increased in this house. The fan is a remote control. Some lights are remote controls. In fact, we have a lot of different things we have remote controls for. So yes. I want to use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to my channel. Hello, I'm your girl, Dede, the mom, the boss. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. I really do appreciate you. If you want oldie but a goodie, I heart you. I love you. Thank you for sticking around for your girl. And if you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please do to hit that subscribe button and of course the notification bell so you would always be notified every single time I upload videos like this. Also, don't forget to share with your friends to inspire them to decorate their spaces today.
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, I don't succeed.
So on this side of the living room, I decided to do the black and yellow, and yeah, and I added some pops of gold, but don't ask me why my my pillow covers are bigger than the pillows. So my pillow covers were gotten from Amazon, 24 by 24. For some reason, I don't know why I got everything at 24 when I know my pillows are like 20 by 20, but we have to improvise and we had to use it, guys. So what do I do? If you were me, what would you do? You would just use it, right? I hate to return stuff. I hate the process. It's so long. So I'm going to use it and enjoy it like that. On this side, I just decided to go in with the green accent pillows, and then would accessorize the chairs. I don't think the side table that I was going to bring later was necessary, but anyway. Yeah, here I'm using these beautiful flower vases and these florals from Hobby Lobby. Guys, I'm sure you're tired of seeing these florals because I've used them all of 2021, 2022. Guys, please don't be tired, okay? We've not even started yet. Anyway, keep enjoying it. This part wasn't really necessary, but I don't know why I added it, but I wanted to add it. What do you think?
I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try, but don't.
This beautiful vase is a DIY made by my uncle. I'm sure you guys have seen it a lot in my videos as well. He does them and ships all around the country. If you would like to patronize his business, I would add his contact in my description box below. Please do well to contact him. And I decided to go in with more scents just to add that to the living room. Oh my goodness, guys, please get ready for this beautiful tour.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's some.
And of course, you guys know the drill. If you watched up to this point, please comment colorful down in the comment section. I would love to see it. It always warms my heart when you're able to comment that magic word for the video. And of course, make sure right after this video you check Mmirim's channel out and tell me what you think about her channel, and make sure you leave her a very beautiful comment down in her comment section. Thank you guys so much for your constant support. Please keep on watching because I have a very beautiful announcement to give you guys at the end of the video.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out?
So guys, we have a fun giveaway coming up, a 7 days of fun challenge for home decor inspiration. We'll be decorating 7 different spaces in 7 days. Please make sure you support us because 4 of us, 4 amazing ladies here on YouTube are going to be creating some magic in 7 days. Stay tuned as we get ready to give you guys this breeze from June 17 to June 23rd. Thank you guys so much for always supporting. I really do appreciate you guys. I love you. Thank you. See you in our next video. Peace.